In this case, we're supposed to factorize first x squared from the first two terms. I'm going to have x squared, open parenthesis, x plus 3. From these two terms, I'm going to factorize 4. And inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have x plus 3. The first term and second term, I have common factor, x plus 3. I'm going to factorize the common factor, x plus 3. In the second parenthesis, I'm going to write everything whatever left, x squared plus 4. And this is the solution to my problem. This time, we'll factorize a squared from first two terms. I have a squared, and inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have a plus 1 plus a plus 1. I'm going to write these two terms inside of the parentheses. Next, please realize that anytime we do not have any integer next to the parentheses, there is always invisible one. Now I have common factor a plus 1, a plus 1. I have to factorize this common factor. I'm going to have a plus 1 times, inside of the parentheses, I have to write everything whatever left. I'm going to have a squared plus, and this invisible one becomes visible. And this is simply the solution to my problem. If you want to verify the answer, you simply use the FOIL method and multiply a times a squared is a to the third, a times 1 is a, 1 times a squared is a squared, 1 times 1 is 1. If you are going to organize the exponents in descending order, you are going to have a to the third plus a to the second plus a plus 1. As you can see, we obtain exactly the same expression like we had at the beginning. So this is the correct answer to my problem.